Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 7th, 2022. Let's talk about Axie Infinity real quick. As you guys know, if you guys are already involved with Axie Infinity or you have an interest in Axie Infinity, you guys already know that the market a couple of days ago did say pretty good move to the upside. I mean, the market closed here on December the 4th, right there around $7, and it went as high as $10 the next day. But is Axie Infinity dead? Is it a dead coin? Because I wanted to show you all that on these days to where we say a massive move higher, but the market closed back down, it represents that people are selling out of their positions in Axie. So you could definitely see it right here on November the 13th, where the market shot up massively. The volume also came in high, and the market closed down here toward the bottom of the bar. Someone was trying to sell a whole stake of Axie Infinity on that particular day. We're still seeing it here the last 3 days. The volume is increasing, so something is definitely going on with a big baller, with a player who is either they're trying to buy up as much Axie Infinity as possible, or they're trying to sell it. All of this volume is going to dictate, in conjunction with the price bar, what's really going on. Now, you guys can see all the way back here to the left of my price chart that I did a price prediction on September 8, 2022, and it is still here. You guys can see that I really wasn't massively bullish, and the market in Axie Infinity at that particular time did not even go that high, really neither. So at least we got 5.25% before we saw price in Axie completely fall off a cliff. That is why it's so important for you to understand and see when to get in and when to get out. So congratulations to those who was able to bag some profitability there. First thing I want us to see is if we're still in a downtrend into the market in Axie. And yes, we are. You guys can see that currently price is trying to break out. Okay, you guys can see right here to where the market is currently closing. It's trying to break out of this downtrend. Do you think it's going to do it though? Do you think the market in Axie Infinity is going to continue down? Or do you think we're going to continue to try to break out? Let's look at the market in Axie Infinity on the 2-day chart. So here it is on the 2-day chart right now. The market definitely is testing to see whether or not it's going to be able to break this downtrend line. That is the current process right now. So we need to get confirmation though before we become buyers in the market for Axie Infinity. That's on the 2-day. Here it is on the 3-day time frame, and we got to keep it real. With the increase in volume on this prior 3 days, even on this current 3-day price bar, with us closing off of the highs, I mean, it represents that there's selling coming into the market in Axie Infinity right now. So for anyone who's trying to come in and buy this particular cryptocurrency, I just want to let you know that you're going against a massive amount of sellers. Okay, let me look at this on the hourly chart real quick, because I want us to tell whether or not the market is really absorbing this massive selling that's been going on. Okay, so looking at this right now, I really don't see a massive amount of weakness coming to the market in Axie Infinity. Okay. Look at this on a different hourly time frame, 7-hour chart. So yeah, right now the market is going through some selling, but what we're getting is that buyers also are interested in buying up whoever is selling their particular cryptocurrency in the market. Okay. You can see it there on the 7-hour chart. Let me see this on the 11-hour. Yeah, so the market currently is giving us some indication that buyers are stepping in. Now, we have a couple of areas that we should not see price fall in order for us to know that buyers are still here. Okay, and that first area is already around $8. The next area prior to $8 is going to be down to $7. Okay, so if you're trying to play or anticipate where would be a good entry point to try to come into the market in Axie Infinity, it would probably be at one of those two places. Okay, now for me, I think we need to wait though, because I really want us to see the buyers hold up all of this volume. This is a massive amount of volume, and as of right now, they're currently being successful, but only by a small amount. It's not like they're definitely coming through and buying up this cryptocurrency massively. Okay, so let me go ahead and hold this here. I'm not going to move it. I'm not going to drop a price prediction right now. I think it just needs to continue to be viewed, especially on the daily chart, even on the 2-day chart. Okay, so let's play out overall from my standpoint as of right now, looking at all of the prior price action the last 3 days, even the volume that's also increasing. I do suspect that the market is weak. Okay, I am predicting that price is still weak, but mixed in, the buyers are also coming in as well. So that tells me that we need to sit back and wait until buyers continue to confirm that they're buying Axie at that $8 price or higher, because if so, then we'll continue to see price lift. But if not, price will come down. So I do suspect that the current trend is weakness. Price is prepared to go lower, but how low is the question. So I'm gonna leave that up to you. I want you all to tell me, how low do you think Axie Infinity is going to go before the buyers come back into the market and step in? Okay, so as right now, I'm looking for price to go down. $8, $7. Okay, and then from that point, come back in, reevaluate the situation, see if buyers are coming in a second time, and then if so, then we can play the market move higher. But if not, we already knew that price was going to go down anyway. So give me your thoughts though. Hit that like button. Consider being also subscribe here to the channel to get more of the simplistic form of predicting prices without any confusion. We simply look at price action, price bars, and volume to get an understanding as to what everyone else is up to. What are they doing with their money? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.